Hello everyone, let me introduce my project. It's CrunchGPT. Our motto is Transform Learning with CrunchGPT, your AI-powered educational companion. What's our innovation? CrunchGPT redefines educational and research and learning by enabling students and educators to interact seamlessly with academic materials. Your task is just upload any material, any file. It doesn't matter if it's hundreds of pages or thousands of pages. You just upload and ask your questions. If you are a student, it could be beneficial before your exams. You upload the file, ask questions and prepare. What is the problem and what is our solution? Problem is difficulty in navigating and understanding complex academic materials because there are thousands and hundreds of pages and you have just a little of time. What is our solution? We created CrunchGPT AI-powered platform that simplifies the process of understanding and interacting with academic content. Firstly, instant access to information. Students and educators can upload any academic document to CrunchGPT. The CrunchGPT then provides immediate, concise answers. Second, enhancing comprehension. By breaking down complicated topics into easy to understand responses, CrunchGPT aids in deeper understanding, catering to various learning styles. And last but not least, support for educators. For teachers and professors, CrunchGPT is a valuable tool for lesson planning, offering quick access to a wide range of information and teaching resources, enhancing the quality of their curriculum. We have a plans, basic plan and pro plan. Basic plan includes uploading up to 20 pages of document and 40 messages per 3 hours for $5, and pro plan uploading unlimited amount of pages of document and 80 messages per 3 hours for $15. Let me finalize empowering minus one document at a time. With CrunchGPT, every page turned as a new horizon discovered. Thank you for attention. Please sign up. Test user gmail.com. Test user. So we had signed up. Here will be displayed all our recent chats. You can sign out and you can also leave a feedback. Let's go our chats. Let's upload the file. It's my lecture from Fundamentals of Database. I will upload this. It's processing. It's successfully processed. It's ready. We are good to go. Now we can ask questions. Here we have an answer: join expression, views, transaction, integrity construction, SQL data types, schemas, index definition in SQL. Let's ask, tell me more about join expression. Here we have an answer: join operation, take it to relations, return another relation. Join operations are typically used as subquery expressions and the formal clauses and etc. This could be the best practice before exam, so you simply upload the lecture and ask questions, test yourself and be ready for your exam.